We learned about patience, we learned about respecting our elders, praying 5 times a day, and how praying 5 times a day can change our life, and we can learn so much. Um,
ओके, आपके साथ आपके नॉन मुस्लिम फ्रेंड्स भी थे, तो उनको भी अच्छा लगा ये सब सीख के?
yeah, because like they learned about a new religion, and now they can also tell other people. If like somebody asks them, do you know anything about Islam, then they can also say that yes, I know about Islam.
ओके, क्या इस तरह के क्लासेस या वर्कशॉप होने चाहिए और भी?
Yeah, they should be, because we need other people to know about different religions. They shouldn't know about their religion only. They should know about different religions. So if they go to different states and countries, then they can tell about the. We should definitely respect our elders. We should be patient, and we should about how to respect people. How to be with other people.